Welcome to SAU Tech. I'm Chet, a recruiter for the Rockets.
And I'm Camya, a student at SAU Tech. I'm excited to show you around and why I love being a Rocket.
This is the administration building, where many of the offices are located that you'll need access to as a student. The admissions office will help you with the application process.
All of the academic advisors are also in this building. Your advisor is based on the major you choose, and they will assist you in selecting the right classes to keep you on track for graduation.
SAU Tech's financial aid staff are dedicated to helping students find ways to pay for their education. Students can apply for state and federal financial aid. SAU Tech also offers scholarships starting with a minimum requirement of a 19 on the ACT.
The Rocket Success Center houses our library and tutoring center.
Free tutoring is available for all students. Tutors are available in the center, but they're also available online 24/7. So no matter the day or time, you will always have the academic support you need.
The library has both digital and physical copies of many resources to help our students.
One of the things I love about SAU Tech is that it feels like family. It's small enough that I know everyone, but I don't feel like I've missed out on the experience of a large college. I was able to live on campus in apartment-style housing.
Each apartment is 2 bedrooms that share a full kitchen and bathroom. There are several housing options both on and off campus. There's a day room where students can hang out, watch movies, play video games, and play pool together. Laundry facilities are available for students, and Wi-Fi is available across campus. Campus police have a location and housing for added safety.
On-campus housing is so convenient since the classes held in the business building and TE building are just a quick minute walk.
There are a variety of options to choose from when deciding what you want to study at Tech.
You can start at SAU Tech taking your basics to prepare for transfer to a 4-year school. This option can save you a lot of money since you will be paying about half of what you would pay at a larger school for the same first 2 years of classes. We have agreements with several universities to allow for a seamless transfer from SAU Tech. SAU Tech also offers a lot of hands-on technical programs that teach you a specific skill to prepare you to go to work after graduation. Some of them, like non-destructive testing and the Welding Academy of South Arkansas, are very unique programs that you won't find anywhere else in the area. You can get more information about all of our academic programs on the SAU Tech website under Academics.
Learning a lot was very important to me, but I've also had a lot of fun while at Tech. This is the Student Center where you will find great food, the bookstore, and the Student Life office.
There are a variety of ways for you to get involved while at SAU Tech. Cheer for our NJCAA Rocket athletic teams, including men's and women's basketball and softball. The Student Life offices and student leadership team ensure that students have plenty of opportunities to be involved, like dances, intramural sports, video game tournaments, and more.
The SAU Tech community really loves the students and make sure that they are supported, even down to providing a food pantry to ensure we never go hungry.
That family feel starts at the top with our chancellor, who is very involved with students on campus. The relationships you will build at SAU Tech will last a lifetime.
I also had the chance to expand my family to include the Tech Scholars Program. This was an exclusive program for students with a 3.25 GPA and a 20 on the ACT. I was also able to get a partial housing scholarship. The scholars participate in various service projects, including a huge carnival for area special needs students. This is just one way I chose to participate on campus.
The application for admission is free and on our homepage at sautech.edu.
Come join my Rocket family.